Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be working with this, I would say medium square tips or XL. They're in between. These are a long 2x extra little tips that I use for my fake hand. So today I'm going to be trying some new product from the brand Burn Pretty that they sent to me. So to start this video, I'm going to start placing a beautiful cover. This will be a nude cover, which is called Cappuccino, and is by the brand Bumblebee. It is a very pretty nude color. I love nude colors, the ones that are not going towards pink, the ones that are more going towards a beigey color, a cream color. I'm not a fan of the pink cover that much. I do like some of them, but I don't like the ones that are nude, but then they end up looking more pink. So this one is perfect. I really, really like this color, and you guys gonna see that in some nails I'm gonna apply the acrylic all the way to the tip, but in other nails, on two of the nails actually, I'm not gonna apply the acrylic all the way to the tip because that's where I'm gonna put the glitter from Bon Purity, because there's no reason for me to do it because I'm gonna encapsulate the nail, so there's no reason for me to put the product all the way to the tip. I think it's a waste of product. But if you guys like to do that, go ahead. I think that the nail is gonna get evenly thick on from the bottom to the tip because it will be encapsulated and it will have the gel product, which is the glitter with gel. You guys will see in a minute. So basically, I'm just putting the acrylic, and this brand is very good. It's very easy to apply to the nail. It blends like butter. So I really like it. So I'm gonna continue placing the acrylics. So this is the product. It is glitter sequins. That's how it's called. But it is pretty much, to be honest, like hexagon glitter mixed with fine glitter inside of a pot with gel, which is amazing. I love that it's already mixed. And this brush is really pretty. It is from Born Pretty as well. They sent it to me, and it's very good quality because I was using it to apply this gel, and it applies really, really good, and it's very, very easy to clean as well. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm placing the glitter and I'm gonna fade it down. Of course, as I fade it down, it's gonna be less glitter on my brush. And the reason why I do this is because I don't like the glitter to be one on top of another one because it can look very, very bulky at the end. So I just try to spread it evenly. And at this point, guys, I have already filed a little bit of the nails in the acrylic, but I haven't yet to encapsulate because these nails, the one that where I'm placing the glitter, I like to encapsulate. Now, if you don't want to encapsulate, which what I'm doing is with clear acrylic powder, but if you don't want to encapsulate these nails once you're done with the um, nude acrylic, what you can do is you can use a thick top coat. You can also use gel to pretty much encapsulate construction gel or any type of thick gel that you have. The reason why I do say encapsulate is because let's say you don't do it, right? What's gonna happen is that you're gonna see the structure and the rough surface of the glitter, and it's gonna look really horrible because it's not gonna be evenly. And a nail is supposed to be beautiful and evenly, and if you don't encapsulate this glitter, it's gonna look horrible in the sense of it's gonna look like the nail has ups and down, and it's gonna look like an abstract structure, if that makes sense. So that's why you will always have to encapsulate glitter unless you're doing the sugar effect, which is completely different than this, or if you're doing glitter on top of gel polish, that's different. So with this one, I do like to encapsulate, so I'm going to repeat the same process on this nail. Once I do that, guys, I'm going to encapsulate, I'm going to file, and I'm gonna also buffer, reshape the nails, and I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do with the other two. So I cure for 60 seconds the glitter sequins gel, and then after that I'm gonna start encapsulating. Now, one tip I want to give you guys is, you guys see that I put some dry flour. I forgot to record that part. I'm so sorry. Just that when I cure the nails, I forgot to hit record. Sometimes I catch myself, but I'm doing better. So like I was saying, so I like to give you the tip of, when encapsulating decoration like this, what I like to do is I like to put the acrylic bead on top of the flower, because when you do this type of decoration, they will lift if you don't hurry up. Unless you will flash cure the flowers with gel and then put the acrylic on top. I think that will be perfect, like I did on the previous tutorial with the sea stars. So that's a good tip right there. So now I'm just gonna clean. By this time I already have file and everything, so I'm just gonna clean the dust, make sure everything is clean. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I was gonna do something else with these two nails, and I did, and I didn't like how they turned out. So I decided to remove it. So that's why on this new clip you're gonna see me putting the glitter again on these two nails, because I was trying to do something else, but I didn't like how it turned out, because I was gonna put purple, and the kind that I have, the color didn't match with the green that I have going on. So this is why you guys are seeing that the rhinestones are already on the nail. It is because it was already done. So I had to edit the video on this part, and I was like, no, this is not gonna look good. It don't match, and it was true. It didn't match. So I end up putting more of the glitter sequins here, and they turn out great, guys. I just go through the same process. And because I did that, of course, we will have to encapsulate this nail again. But I did file off the encapsulation previous to this one, so it was very easy to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish these nails, and then I'm gonna come with the final look, guys. So after I encapsulated and filed these two last nails, look how beautiful they look. I'm just cleaning to make sure, because I already filed and buffer and all of that. So now to finish this look, guys, I'm gonna use the Born Pretty Super Top Coat, which is amazing. It is good for, like, when you are very rough with your nails, that they get scratches. It helps also with the gel polish to not leave, crack, or chip. So I really, really like this top coat. And on overall, you guys can see the shine, how beautiful it is. And once I place the top coat, I'm going to cure in the lamp for about 60 seconds. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. That's where I post a lot of stuff usually. And let me know in the comment section, have you guys tried these beautiful glitter sequins from Born Pretty? Have you tried the top coat? The super top coat? Have you tried any product from Born Pretty? Let me know in the comment section. I will be reading you guys your comments. And if you have any questions about any of these products, leave it in the comment section. I will be answering them. And thank you so much for watching my video. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. There will be more new videos coming up so you don't miss them. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.